These kind of videos are so much fun for me. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Soil and Margaritas. I garden in central Indiana in Zone 5, and right now it's raining, it's a little bit cold, it's just kind of nasty outside. I have a huge list of things that I need to do outside, but I can't do anything right now. So I figure I'm just going to do an unboxing of a few things that I have collected in the last couple of weeks so that I can show you, and then maybe if you're thinking about buying some of these things, you can kind of see how these show up in the mail. So let's start. This year I am going to plant garlic, and garlic, if you don't know, it needs to be planted the fall before you're going to harvest it. So here in central Indiana and for zones 5 and 6, I think all the way into 7, we have from October all the way into like November to plant our garlic. Here for us, a good time will be Halloween. So I went ahead and ordered this beautiful, beautiful garlic. I already opened these guys because since they arrived, they needed to be a little bit out in the open. These guys right here, these guys are from Pine Tree Garden Seeds. If you don't know, they really have a nice collection of seeds. I ordered my coleus, geraniums, and I believe petunia seeds from them. I can't remember, but I got my garlic from them, some of my garden from them this year. If I remember correctly, this garlic that I got from them is German white. It is a hardneck variety, and it is huge. I believe I got a pound from them, which it may not seem like a lot, but once it's out in the garden, once it's planted, which I will show you how that's done here towards the end of this month. Maybe it will follow all of the daily videos that I am doing. I don't know yet. But this is going to be planted. Each club you're going to be planted it kind of like you do with tulips. I'll show you all of that, but look at this beautiful, beautiful garlic. It is huge. Like I say, I got a pound, and that is from Pine Tree. I also got some from Tomato Bob. I'm not showing you the front just because my address is on it for those sneaky people. This one is from Tomato Bob. They are in Ohio, and I got about a pound. I think that I got a pound and a half of these guys. This is music garlic, and actually Tomato Bob sent me a couple of seeds, which is really, really cool. I got some snowberry cherry tomato seeds. I have like at least 30 seeds there, plenty for me. And I also have this pollinator mix, a bunch of flower seeds there, which I think is just really cool. I love when people do that. I found Tomato Bob 2 or 3 years ago when I was looking for Hawaiian currant seeds, and they were the only place that I could find those seeds. And since then, since they're in Ohio, they're somewhat closer to my zone. So I figure if the plants that are growing do well, then more than likely they're gonna do well for me. So this is the music garlic that I got, and I should probably open these bags. Like I said, they arrived a couple of weeks ago here. Just want to make sure that they don't get moldy because they're in the plastic bags. But you can see the difference how they send them. Pine Tree just they probably just weigh them right away. And these guys, they're already in like a 1/4 pound bags. Look at the size of those things. Like, look at the size of one clove. Look at that. That is huge. That is huge. And I got a pound and a 1/4 of that, so I have plenty of garlic for next year. What I will do is that I better not mix these guys. This is how they're going to be planted in the ground, which pretty cool. So that's the garlic that I'm going to be planting this year. While I haven't grown garlic in my garden here in my home, I have helped my husband grow garlic in another places. A few years ago, about 5-6 years ago, my husband wanted to try to grow garlic to sell to restaurants and other people who will resell them, and he got like all the fancy garlics that he could get, and he grew a lot of it in a friend's property. He had the space, but it was far away. It didn't work out at the end. He did it for like 3 or 4 years in a row. So I feel like I know everything there is to know about growing garlic, but not in a raised bed, because we use a huge field for the rest of the garlic. But this year I'm gonna try it here, because last year we didn't do anything, and my goodness, I use garlic a lot. So that's the garlic that I am going to be planting. And if I can still find the links, if they are still in stock, I will have these links below in the video's description, so if you want to check them out. Also, if you have been here for a bit, you know that I use these sleeves from Farmer's Defense. And I wanted to show you something. The bags where they come, they say that they are 100% compostable, which I think is kind of cool. I haven't tried to do that yet. I haven't just thrown this in my raised beds, but there it is. And I have quite a collection of these already. And I really like them, because I have mentioned before, while I don't have any allergies or reactions to when I'm working outside, you know, cutting all the dead stuff, especially now in the fall when I am just cleaning away. Sometimes when I'm working with cucumbers or with tomatoes, I notice that I might get, like, my skin will get like super itchy. And these are so much fun. I think that these are my favorite as far as design goes. They have a lot of designs, different colors, but I like these ones a lot. I know, it's the little things, you guys, it's the little things. So that's that. I'm gonna leave these for the end, because these are extra special. If you saw one of my latest videos, you noticed that I got a couple more of my green stalks, and I have a bunch of leafy greens growing in them. Lettuce, spinach, radishes, beets, but I only have one of their ground covers. I only have one of their ground covers, not ground covers, frost covers, which is very much like a cover that covers the entire thing, so that it protects them from really cold weather. So it extends the season just a little bit. What is this? Oh. I love when companies do this, when they just send extra stuff. Oh, seeds. California Wonder Pepper seeds. Awesome. Oh, Ethan put this together. Some stickers. Oh, these are cute. Like I said, I have one of these, but since I have two where I have growing a bunch of things, I just got one more, and I was afraid because when I went and ordered it, they say that they were in back order, and of course I waited until the last minute to order one of these things. But here it is. This whole thing is going to go on top of one of my green stacks, and I already have one more, which I probably should get out of the garage, because I believe that this weekend, here in like 2 or 3 days, we're going to be getting really low during the morning low. So it's that time of the year already, so might as well be prepared. Don't remember this one. I always get excited when I get these boxes, because sometimes I forget that I ordered something. It's not until they arrive that I'm like, oh yeah, forgot about that. Oh, I know. If you already have some of these, you know where I ordered these from. These are the 5-inch containers from Bootstrap. I don't remember how many I ordered. I got 40 of them, which this year I am going to be using for, I'm going to try to overwinter some tulips, and I don't know, we'll see how they go. These are nice, you guys. These are nice and hard. If you have not ordered anything from Bootstrap Farmer, I don't have a coupon, unfortunately. I actually don't know anybody who has coupons. I know sometimes you guys message me saying, do you have a coupon? I don't have a coupon, but I have a link where you can get all of these things. So if you're looking into getting some of these guys, they have different colors too, which is always a nice thing. At least for me, since I like options. These two, you guys, these two. So these two guys right here, make sure I don't show that sign since that one has my address. These are a couple of things that I got from you guys, and I was static, okay? I was static when I got this. This one I already opened because I wasn't sure what it was and I didn't want to open it live in a video. So this guy is from a local, this packet is from a local follower of mine, and like I said, I already opened these guys. Look at that, isn't that cute? It's a little thank you note. This one is from Sweet Melissa Honey and Hive, and she is a local, well, close to me anyway, a local business here. I believe she's in Fishers. I'll have to put her information on the screen. She has a really cool thing going on, and I'm actually going to contact her to see if we can do something maybe next summer with all of her things that she's doing. She's in Fishers, Indiana, and she sent me a few goodies that, my goodness. When I got this packet, when I got these whole bags, I was really excited. Like I said, she sent me a few goodies. I believe my husband already helped himself to something here. There was some sort of anti-itch cream, and thank you so much, Melissa. If you're watching this, thank you so much. I'm really bad about opening these things or doing something with social media to show off, you know, like what people send me, and it's not like I have a lot of people sending me stuff, but you know, sometimes here and there I get a note on my PO box, and it really makes my day. So that's one. And this other guy and this other one, I don't know who sent it to me. I'm not gonna show my address on the front. I don't know who sent it to me, but it came with the notes, with the gift wrap, because like I said, I wasn't sure what I had ordered, and it came wrapped as a gift. But one of you probably saw me doing something outside, kneeling, and this is like a knee pad to put when you're kneeling down and you are working outside. This is to protect your knees, or if you're sitting down. I mean, this thing is thick, okay? This thing is thick, and it's really cool that it has like a handle. Okay, this is really cool. I don't know who sent this. It was just gifted to me. But if you send it, you forgot a note, and I would love to thank you. Thank you. This is really cool. So I think that's all I have. I am actually itching to be outside, to be working. Actually, this is going to be really handy to be using outside. It's raining, and since you guys know I am challenging myself to publish a video daily. This video is what, like number 8 or something like that. I lost track, honestly. So I need to be outside doing something. I need to be doing something for the garden, because that's my challenge for this month. And if you have no clue what I'm talking about, basically for the month of October, I am trying, so far so good, I am trying to post a video daily for 25 days in a row. So wish me luck. Thank you for being here, you guys, and until the next time.